That's 19 hertz right
19,
there.
that's crazy.
Yeah.
Your doors are really flexing.
Yeah, they get pretty bad.
Yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Go over here and look under.
Got an auto tank hitting down there underneath. So I'm building more down there.
So what is your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Kien. I got 4 15-inch DS18 hooligans on a Ruthless 8500. That's right there behind it, actually. At 8500.1 right there.
Okay.
It's actually only wired at 2 ohms right now.
Okay.
I'm having a little bit of a voltage drop issue, so they're not wired down right quite yet.
Okay.
But yeah, it's only wired at 2 ohms, so we're getting maybe 700 watts per sub. There's 6,000 watts RMS each.
Okay.
So
Where's the port?
that rear all the way at the back wall facing up that square port.
Oh, okay. Got it. That's the
It's just
port.
wide.
It's extended. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and the port's 32 inches long. It goes all the way down to almost to the bottom of the box.
Okay.
4 inches at the bottom.
Nice. I like how you have a little offset wall to the port at the top.
Yeah. To kind of kick it forward.
To roll off of. Yeah.
Yeah. Trying until I get the roof molded in.
Did you build this?
I did.
Nice.
Me and my oldest daughter on a Saturday.
All right. So what's the tuning and port like box cubic space?
The box is 15.5 cubes. It's 228 hertz.
Wow.
Yeah, I tuned it to 28. Yeah, it's still pretty low. I couldn't get it a whole lot lower. I wanted to do a 6th order, but I don't have enough cabin for a 6th in this truck like that to get it tuned properly, you know. But it does good for what it is. Yeah.
Wow. I like that you've got like a back area for the stunt wall, so you don't have to deal with as much flex on that back hatch.
Yeah, it still pushes it, but because I haven't sealed. Once I fiberglass it'll be completely sealed from the cabin, but it still lets a little air through.
Yes, sir.
But yeah.
And where's your battery?
There's actually 2 headweight banks. There's 200 amp hours of lithium.
Oh, okay, I got it down
There's
there.
one behind each seat. There's one in that square box, and there's one behind you also.
Okay. Nice. All right.
It looks like a nightmare, but it works.
That's all. It works. And the SPL score, any test on it?
I haven't. I actually just rewired it and put it together the other day, so I haven't even metered it yet.
Okay.
But there's no power, so there's no really no meter.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. All right.
See what we can get.
Swag of a lad in the carpet, I'm riding a mess in the back on
Really low too. How low was that?
That's 19 hertz.
19. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Your doors are really flexing.
Yeah, they get pretty bad.
Yeah. I appreciate it, man. Your name?
Kien.
Kien. All right.
Yeah.
Thanks for the demo, Kien. Yes, sir. You're welcome, man. Thanks for watching.